A very big hello to all my wonderful COMEDK aspirants out there. So my dearest children, from yesterday onwards, the mock round choice filling portal is finally open. So you can fill in your choices, and depending on that, you will be allotted with a college. You will get to know whether your tactics are correct, whether your techniques are correct for getting allotted to the dream college that you want, or you should be making some changes out there. But for that, obviously, you should be first logging in. So I'm going to talk about each and every process, starting from the point where you're going to log in to the point where you're going to submit your options out there. So please listen out to me really carefully. So I hope we are good to go. Yes, so let's go ahead with the first step. You have to go to COMEDK's official website. Now once you go there, you can see over here login. Once you click on that, you get two options: engineering login and architecture login. Please go for engineering login, because I hope everyone who is watching me are engineering aspirants out there. Now over here, my dear children, you have two things to fill in. One is your application number or user ID, and then there is what? Password. So you have to fill in both, and then you have to fill in the captcha, put over here, and then click on login. Fine, application number or the user ID and the password, you can put it there, and then put the captcha out there and click on the login button. Now I have filled it over here. I'm going to click on the login and I'll be landing up somewhere over here. And the first thing that would be visible to my eyes would be certain set of instructions which are very important. With that, I can solve lots of questions coming around. That is, ma'am, can I use mobile for choice filling? Your answer is given over here. Always clear cache. Browsing history. Do not use mobile phone, use only laptop or a desktop. Second, click on choice filling tab. That is over here. You see so many tabs are there, COMEDK rank card and this and that. At the end, you have a choice filling tab. You have to click on that. Okay. Click here to view choice filling form. I'll tell you how does that work. Okay. Choice filling tab for mock round is available from 18th July to what? 20th July, that is tomorrow 4 p.m. Candidate can add as many preferences as they wish, as per college, as per course. You can put unlimited courses and colleges out there, but make sure you're making a proper list out there. Now, candidate can modify their college courses selected any number of times. As in, for example, yesterday I filled in certain options. So today I feel, no, I have to fill in more options. Can I do that? Tomorrow is the last date. So can I do it today? Can I re-edit it today? I can do it. Okay. Now, tomorrow after 4 p.m. Can I do it? No, because the deadline has officially ended. And my dear children, some children are there who fill in the options but forget to click on the save button. I'll be showing you that. Okay. So in that case, nothing is registered. It will be all blank. It will be all blank. You added the option but you forgot to save it. Then in that case, nothing is going to go to COMEDK's end. I'll be showing you all of it. So candidates can modify their courses selected any number of times before the last date. Okay. Candidate can edit their preferences till the last date of choice filling. Only the saved preferences will be considered. And now add only those colleges courses that you're sure to join if allotted. So do not put randomly any college out there or course out there. Okay, because I hope you know that the COMEDK's refund policies are very much strict. Okay, so you have to be very cautious while doing it. I'll just take out few points and I'll tell you which is very important. First is, do not use mobile phone for choice filling. Use only laptop or desktop. Okay, the second most important thing is, as many choices as you can put in. But make sure you're putting in those things where you will actually think if at all you get it, you will go. Now, the third thing is that after filling in your choices, please click on the save button. I'll be showing you that. So over here, you can go ahead and scroll down and see for your details as well if at all you want. Otherwise, directly we can go to the choice filling. Now, my dear children, how does it look? So I am going to click on choice filling, and then after I do that, something like this would be popping up, as in a whole screen would be popping up where all of this is mentioned. Click on college to view college wise list, or click on course to view course wise list. Click on add to add a college. Preference number 1 will be considered as your first option. Okay, now all of it is given. I am going to explain you step by step so that you have better understanding. So the first thing is, I am going to fill my choices first by clicking on college. I'm going to use this method and then I'll try course. Okay. So if I click on college, what will happen? Something like this will be popping up. Automatically E217 Harsha Institute would be there. Okay. So if you want to understand how does it appear and what happens after you click on view colleges and course list, my dear children, you will be able to see what this college's whole courses, as in whatever courses are there in this particular college, it will be visible to you if you are clicking on view college or course list. So first thing that we did is we clicked on college. At that point of time, this popped up automatically. So just for knowing it, what happens if we click on the next button out there, we clicked there and we got to know that whatever courses are there in Harsha Institute of Technology, all of it would be appearing, and in front of all of it, I am getting a button, that is what? Add button. Okay, so computer science and engineering, data science, add button, and then there is next one with add button, all of it is there. But ma'am, this is not of my interest. I want to look for some other college out there which I want to put in my list. For example, you want to put RVCE college, so I am going to show you a demo. So let's see a demo. Let's search for RV College of Engineering. So over here, I am going to, in the college portion, my dear children, I am going to type RV. You have to look for the spacing, or if at all you know the college code, you can have access through that also. Okay, so over here, RV College of Engineering, once you click on that, what happens, my dear children? What will happen? All the courses would be coming up. All the courses of RV College of Engineering would be popping up. Now, I want to select computer science and engineering. I want to give it the first position. In that case, what I have to do? I would have to click on add button. So in front of computer science and engineering, I see add button. I can click on that. Suppose I clicked on that. What will happen over here? You see, finally selected preferences just below it. So if at all you add something here, it will be popping up over here. I'll show you how does it look. So you added something over here and it's now popping up over here. That is computer science and engineering on preference number 1. That means this is your first priority. This is the college code. This is the name of the college. Make sure you know the college code and everything really well before. How do you know that? I'll be telling you that as well. Okay. So over here you have got it. Now suppose after some point of time I realized my cutoff is very high. I anyway cannot get this. I want to put something else. So in that case you would have to click on what? Remove button. If you click on remove button, again this course will be over there. It is not in your list. Your list is now empty. Suppose you don't want to remove this. You want to add some more courses. Okay, in that case what do you have to do? You have to go ahead again. You suppose this computer science and engineering with cyber security is something that I want to add. So I'll click on add, and then my dear children, that will also be coming up over here. So I had computer science and engineering, and also in same RV college I have computer science and engineering with cyber security. Suppose it's not just RV college, it's some other college that you want to pick up in the second position. Then again what you have to do, just like how you search for RV, you have to look for the next college and then click on add. Okay, next college and then click on add, if at all, if that is the case. Now my dear children, I somewhat feel that I don't want plain computer science and engineering on the first position. I want cyber security to be on the first position, or on the first preference number. In that case, what do I have to do? Here if you see, there are arrow button, up arrow and down arrow. Up arrow means I want to take this guy up. Down arrow means I want to take this guy down. So either way, you click on up arrow or you click here on the first column, you click on down arrow, this will go down and this will go up. So we are going to do that. Okay, so once we do that, what happened? Computer science and engineering, which was down, has now come to first position. Okay. Oh my god, that's my hair. Where is it? Yes, we are here. So computer science and engineering with cyber security is on the first position, and the other one would be on the second position. I hope that is clear. That is how you can adjust it. Now if you want to remove it, you can remove it as well. That is also not a problem. But I hope you understood the basic funda of how things exactly work. Right. Now my dear children, once you have made your option entry list, you have to check 1, 2, 3, that preference only it would be there. Okay, you should make a list, proper list, not a list with 2 colleges. So how to make a list? That video would be done how to prepare a proper option entry list would be done, and it will be soon uploaded, and it will be helping you really well. If at all you watch it, you will be benefited. So please definitely watch it whenever it is uploaded. Now to help you with this, that is option entry, there is a tool also. We have made it. We have broadcasted in the previous video. If at all you wanted, the link would be given down. You can click on that particular link. And also we have done certain reviews about colleges, top 20 colleges, top 30 colleges and things like that. If at all you want that, again the link would be there in the description section. You can watch it. Now, okay, so imagine you made a proper option entry list. Over here there is a declaration. I have read and understood all terms and conditions mentioned in the counselling process document and agree to abide the same. Okay, and in that condition, my dear children, what I am going to do, I am to tick the checker box. When I tick the checker box, after that what I have to do, the most important thing is to what? Is to save it. If you are not clicking on the save button, nothing of it would be saved, and your final selected preference would be null. It will be blank if at all you are not going ahead with the save option. So I hope you understood how you can go ahead with the colleges. If at all you want to go college wise, you can add in this manner. Now my dear children, the next thing that we are going to do is course wise. We are going to look how to do it course wise. But before that, if at all you are someone who wants to know the college code and everything, as in the location, the college code. So in the front page of when you clicked on the choice filling tab, my dear children, the first thing that appears to is this, and over here you can click here to view the college location. If you click on that, there will be a new window opening up. Okay, if you click on that, what is happening? There will be a new window opening up, and there will be list of engineering colleges and architecture colleges, medical colleges. So click on engineering colleges. They will give you list of colleges. E007, this is the college. E008, this is the college. So whatever colleges are participating, the list you will get from there also. So if at all you want to search college wise, okay, you can take the college code and you can put it over here after having that list, after seeing that list. Okay. Now we will see how we can do the same process by clicking on the course code. Okay, by searching for the specific courses. Okay, I don't want to go college wise, I want to go course wise. In that case, my dear children, click on course over here and select the course code and the name. Whatever name is there, you can type the name of the course if you know, or the course code, either way. So once you do that, over here you have a list of it. So you can just go and search. For example, I want computer science and engineering, then go for computer science, CS, computer science and engineering. If I do not know the code, at least type this and see. Okay, and then you will get the code. Now once you have done that, my dear children, what do you have to do? You have to click on view colleges and course list. Once you click on that, what would happen? Let's see what would happen. Something like this would be popping up. All the colleges, as you can see, which has computer science and engineering, would be right over here along with the, along with the college code. It would be present over here. If you click on view colleges and course list, all the colleges that provides computer science and engineering would be right over here with the college code, and in front of each of them you have an add button. You can click on the add button. So over here the next process would be clicking on the add button. So over here I want Adi Chanchanagiri Institute of Technology. I want to add computer science and engineering over there. So I have to click on the add button, and now once I click on the add button, what will happen? Again it will be appearing in my saved preferences. It would be first, then I'll add more, it will be on the second. If I want to interchange, I will be clicking on the up arrow. If I want to make it go down, I will be clicking on the down arrow. In that way you can do it. If you want to remove it, click on the remove button. But I'll suggest go college wise, it will be more easy for you to understand it better. Okay, always remember, some reputed colleges give really good amount of placements. So in them, my dear children, the courses that you can enter could be more than one. You can add 3 courses out there because you are sure that that college has good placements. But this is not applicable for all the colleges. You have to know the college really well before going ahead and doing the option entry, which is why I said if at all you need, please watch the videos. We have done detailed reviews on certain colleges out there and how to do option entry. Okay, so the mock round option entry is happening. You do it in your own way, if at all you can, or if at all you want references, videos are already uploaded in the video, in our channel. But again, you will get a fresh video as well on how to do option entry, how to make option entry list, not how to do option entry. This is what I'm explaining, how to make an option entry list. I hope that helps. So that's all. Now after doing this, after adding everything, what do you have to do? I hope you didn't forget. You have to click on the checker box and please save. Every time, my dear children, you have to save it, otherwise gone. So again, a doubt could be there. I'll answer your doubt. Suppose 18th was the day, 20th it ends. Okay, so on 18th you did option entry, or basically you did choice filling. Okay, I'll write choice filling. You did choice filling. Then on 19th, my dear, so 18th you did choice filling and you clicked on save button. Then the same list would be appearing over here and you can basically modify this. You can modify this. After modifying this, what you have to do, you have to again click on the save button. Okay, now suppose you are someone who did the choice filling over here, who did the choice filling on 18th, but you didn't click on the save button. What will happen? If you didn't click, just a second, where did it go? If you didn't click on the save button, it would be blank. On what day? The next day now you're looking forward for, it is totally blank. Again, you would have to add all the option. So make sure you're saving the option, and before this particular point of time, that is on 20th, whatever you're going to save before this, the last thing that you have saved, my dear children, that would be the one that would be approved, and according to that only you will be allotted a seat out there. I hope that clears up the doubt that you might have had. Okay, so that's all, my dear children. If at all you have any questions still lingering around in your little brain out there, do not be hesitant to ask us. We are here to help you out. You can put it down in the comment section. We would be definitely helping you out with lots of love. Yes, wishing you all the best, and please take care of yourselves. Please research a bit about colleges before putting them on your list, because the fees is quite high. You have to be a bit careful out there. Okay, so bye bye, take care, lots of love.